How to fix you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the settings of your device and make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi over here. So if you do not have your Wi-Fi connected, you can go for your cellular data or turn on the mobile data. Then afterwards, go to the apps section over here, then tap on manage apps. Now you can just scroll or you can just search in the search bar. Now here I'm going to just scroll and go for WhatsApp application, which is at the bottom of the app library. Now make sure that you clear the cache by tapping on clear data, then tap on clear cache, select OK. You can also clear all data if it is convenient for you. After that, what you need to do is you're going to go to the Chrome browser of your device, and in the Chrome browser just search for connect WhatsApp, and here you can see the option of connect WhatsApp. So just tap on the first option that pops up, then it will lead you to a page something like this. You just have to provide your phone number. So you just have to provide your phone number, email address, just confirm your email address, and then you can choose how do you use your WhatsApp. So here I'm using Android, and here you can enter your message or your issue that you're facing right now with regards to WhatsApp, and then tap on next step, and you will receive the support from the WhatsApp support team by 24 hours. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.